Hello everyone and welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we're talking about inverse functions. Okay, so we have this problem that says find the inverse function of f of x equals to x plus 10, everything elevated to the cube. Okay, so I'm gonna write my equation, f of x equals to x plus 10 to the cube. Remember that f of x could be replaced with y, and that will be x plus 10 to the cube. Our goal is to isolate x or solve for x. We're going to take the cubic root on both sides. Okay. And that will be the cubic root of y equals to x plus 10. Then I will subtract 10 on both sides of the equation, and this one will cancel out. All right, so we have the cubic root of y minus 10 equals to x. Now that we have solved this, remember, our x becomes y. So this will be y equals to the cubic root of x because our y becomes x. Okay? That being said, our inverse function is equals to the cubic root of x minus 10. All right, thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful for you.